Previously on Sailing New Horizons, we sailed to the island of Dominica. A few hours after we arrived, we went deep into the Indian River, where we found a local farm. And here we are today, going for a short dinghy ride to try and find a good snorkeling spot.
Yeah, there's nothing in there but seagrass.
Right.
Absolutely nothing.
Alright, we'll check out another spot.
Yeah.
And after our snorkel adventure, we hopped in a rental car to go on some hikes. Here we are at the trailhead for Trafalgar Falls. We then drove to the Freshwater Lake Trail, which was not too far away. And here we're walking to Batibou Beach, which became famous in one of the Pirates of the Caribbean movies for the scene where Captain Jack Sparrow was being chased by a group of cannibals.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm eating some of this sweet sop that we picked up at the fruit market. It is excellent. There's a lot of feed.
Well, thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, hit the thumbs up button and the notifications bell. Stay tuned for next time to see what our next adventure is. See ya!